name is Lucas Magnus Tatatsi. We'll be guessing inside the box. Shapes, sizes. Yeah.
Okay, put your hand here. No looking.
It's the spiky thing.
Spiky? What is it?
The spiky.
What else?
It's a brush.
It's a brush! Does it feel good?
Yes, it's spiky. It's a yellow cotton.
How do you know?
It's fluffy.
Huh? Fluffy?
Yeah,
No looking.
it's a squishy thing.
What is that?
It's a duck.
Rubber ducky. Don't look.
It's some beads. It's a shaky egg shaker.
Oh my gosh! Okay, feel it.
It's a container with sand. It's a donut.
Donut! Close your eyes. This is a bit hard. Okay. Don't look. Okay? Feel it. Feel it. Feel it.
It's a bullet.
Bullet?
It's a washer.
What?
It's sprinkles. It's sugar.
Okay, wanna taste it?
You want to taste it. Bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in this button and like this video. Don't like this video. Bye. Dada, can you guess this thing?
Okay.
Doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit. Kasha.
Ano?
That.
Badminton. Thing.
Mama, guess this thing.
A roll of nylons or nylon strings? Nylon strings, wire? Wire.
Lead.